I might have to pull it out of here more.
This fucking gear comes out.
So you guys did the same thing that I might have to do. Yeah. What up, Jay? Pulled up on this 2009 Mercedes ML 350. This thing had been in this guy's backyard for a minute, you could tell. He pulled it out of his yard though with another car. It's a whole nother strap that was underneath it connected to a control arm that he had to cut off because he couldn't get it off. I ended up having to do the same thing though, man. I had to pull it out, I had to drag it just a little bit, and the dude was cool with it. He was cool with it. He's like, man, do whatever you got to do to get it out. It's tight, this old cobblestone driveway, all that, you know. He was cool with it. He was out there directing me. He wanted me to drag it further than I did. I'm like, nah, man, I ain't got to go that far. I just got to drag it out just enough to get these damn dollies on it, that's all. Anyway, so apparently this car has been in old boy's backyard for a while because rats chewed the fucking wiring harness. Ugh. That's some expensive shit right there. For those of y'all that don't know, the casing that wraps around the wiring to protect the wiring is made of some kind of sweet shit, and rats love it. There ain't no car on this earth gonna be inexpensive to replace a wiring harness. And even if you do it yourself, cost-wise, it might be cheaper. But man, let me tell you, the labor in doing it ain't gonna be nothing low-key. So either way, you're paying for it, whether it's monetary or time, you're paying for it. Well, we got this thing all hooked up though. We on our way out to the dealership with it, to the Mercedes dealer that's gonna quote him to replace it all and whatnot. So I guess we shall see if he's gonna get it fixed and drive it home, or if he's gonna call us back and tow it home. Either way, we're gonna go ahead and get it delivered and get it dropped off and move on to our next exciting adventure that hopefully does not include dollies.